Every time we're just president. And action.
Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today. wait, stand there.
Dad, couscous. My mommy said couscous is bad for you and cause cancer. That's how my mommy died. You see that from cancer from couscous.
Try the cookies.
Okay, eat that. Cookie.
No, don't look like that.
Brown, my favorite flavor. Wait. It's spicy. No, it's like salty, bro.
I literally only added a pinch extra.
I had extra salt, Mo.
No.
And you had less sugar?
There wasn't sugar in the recipe. Oh, wait, I probably should have added just regular sugar instead of brown sugar. Just so there's some sort of sweetness.
As a Chad myself.
Oh. I'm bad. I can't eat it, bro. I'm bad.
You're a coward, bro. I ate mine.
Not this again.
The other day, we were talking about face reveals on famous YouTubers. And they said, what if one of them was Dead Bundy? Because he's dead.
Hi, I'm Kinsley. I'm 5 years old, and I'm gonna win pageant queen because I threw three songs.
Day one of watching toddlers and tiaras. Don't keep your back on the camera. What are you? Dude, make a Gatorbobas. We have a very special recipe to show you guys. It's called a
Gatorbobas.
Alright, do it every montage of me mixing together drinks.
We're putting ice in them this time because we have to shut them off.
No, not in mine.
So unadventurous.
I hate ice.
Look, man, there's only so much I can do when all you want is Gatorade, sometimes mango syrup, and water. Like, come on, I'm out here making cosmopolitans.
The heck is a cosmopolitan?
Alcohol.
I thought that was a magazine.
I don't know.
Dude, that white Gatorade slaps though. For real.
Just ready for some toilet water?
No, not the toilet water. Add some. You gotta add something to it. Whatever happened to you adding orange juice?
I thought you always complained about having orange juice in yours.
I don't know. I honestly don't remember what I complained about at this point. I'm very high maintenance.
You complain about everything, bro. I won't even lie. Get a little whiff of that. Get a little.
Why do we not have any? Why do we have only ingredients in this house? I was looking forward to making these gluten-free chocolate chip cookies because I literally can't have anything. I couldn't even have dinner tonight because it was couscous, bro. And they suck. They're the worst thing I've ever baked. My stupid strawberry banana muffies were better than this, and they were burned.
No, these cookies were better.
They literally taste like burnt. They taste like charcoal. I can't even taste the chocolate. I don't even know what happened. I literally put extra chocolate in there.
You upset the balance, bro. Cooking isn't about, oh, let's make it sweeter. It's about the balance. You know how I know that? Because one time I stayed up late watching an alpha male's wife cook him dinner. And then I cried. If it happened to... Don't you dare look at me like that.
You did. looks like something that would go into the water.
Big girl juice.
Mommy needs her big girl juice.
Mommy needs her go-go juice.
Wait, should we?
Yeah, don't drink yours without me. What the heck is wrong
We
with you?
need the cherries, bro. You just drank yours.
No, I didn't. Dad. I'm gonna tang to it. You better get more cherries, but we're running low.
I'm trying.
Just steal.
I work in the kitchen like tomorrow and the next day,
We're
bro.
gonna get right. You haven't gonna hook me up. You know how hard
Why
it is to
is
get right? I just give up.
Because sometimes the cherries are really small and wrinkly.
Like your mom. Not your actual mom. I mean your theoretical mom in the universe that I created. I'm just getting a lemon. Sounds good, right? Give it a tang to it. Mama needs a bit more.
Speech.
Juiced up white ball!
Cheese and garlic croutons. The perfect way to spend your Sunday afternoon. It's actually really good.
I love garlic. I love garlic. I love cheese. I love garlic and cheese croutons. I want to eat them all the time. Bro.
That's what I'm saying.
Ding. I'm figuring for my life. Little Mackenzie can't live without her mom. Without her mom, who she loves so much. Even though she did throw up on me.
Yeah, she did dig out my tooth in a little fit, but you know, I still love her anyway. I'd give a tooth for her to perform in these pageants. She just loves them so much.
Smells good. Meat.
This hat's doing something to me.
We got that on record, didn't we?
Mackenzie. She's running down the hill to me. Mackenzie. Mackenzie.
Wait, what if we put the camera on the fridge? A little bird's eye view.
Welcome to headquarters. Okay, the stove is the limit. Your mom was the limit.
The sky's the limit. Oh, who's this who's?
Wow, Snapchat. I had Snapchat for like a year and I stopped doing streaks because I have no motivation.
I had 2 crumble cookies. And I had a spoonful of couscous. And then I had a little bit of a Gatorbobas. I am so energetic that it's actually scary. I think my dentures are gonna fall out.
I hate chocolate.
I haven't had vegetables in a long time.
You neither have I.
I'm not gonna get on that.
That's what she said.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, she said. Oh.
Who's with the bourgeoisie? The vision in their eyes like. Wow.
Oh, interesting. Interesting.
Dance moms is really
I want to watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians. I'm not even gonna lie.
It's really good, actually. Sky is kind of weird. But he's kind of funny.
Yeah.
He's definitely problematic, but he's funny. So. I'm going to bed. No, I'm not. No.
My foot is yes, it is another my foot is
I don't know.
My name is Julia Green.
Oh no.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'm not proud of what I'm about to do either.
We still watched the Ice Age series as a video. Crazy.
The entire thing?
There's 5 movies, bro.
Oh my gosh. Someday when we get so rich from YouTube that we don't have to work these stupid fast food jobs, we'll just do a marathon.
Yeah, that would be nice. I think I should like and subscribe because there's a glitch on YouTube that causes you to actually unsubscribe. Briana is number 1 and also the coolest and also the bestest person ever. Briana and Callie.
You do nothing for these videos. I edit them. I upload them. I film them.
I mean, for your channel.
No, Bert. So they're called bibabie.
Yeah, but am I getting paid for the? Oh no! I can see myself throwing a wham dumpster with JoJo Siwa slime. Get slimed like JoJo Siwa in the Nickelodeon Kids' Choice Awards. Coming up next.
She wasn't invited to this, bro.
Yeah, she was. She was there for like 3 years in a row.
Not this past year.
Oh. Probably because. The other day. Oh. That's really sad. That's just actually really sad. I'm getting my feeties. I'm getting my feeties out of your way. This is feeties number 1. Feeties number 2. This one's inside out. It's always what I put. My forehead's big. I got 5 head.
I didn't look at me.
But I don't get it.
That's all I'm saying, huh?
I only want to do contour. I must make the top part of my forehead black with contour so nobody knows that I have a big forehead. Yes, this is a perfect idea. I will do that. And I will also plan elaborate villain schemes for the wedding. I'm Jim Carrey. I'm Jim Carrey, and I'm the Joker.
That was not Jim Carrey.
And I'm a villain, Callie. I get to do whatever I want.
I hate cookies.
Go Gingy. Go Ganga. I'm Go Ganga. Go. There's my fingers. When I was in the wilderness, I didn't know what to do. There's no life. I was fine cooking me. I'm saying all this, somebody's sitting on the counter. Talking with my feet.
You know, Briana kind of reminds me of the one magician from Frosty the Snowman.
Cut it off. Cut it off.
Welcome to Callie's cooking channel. She can't bake to save her life.
Look at my hair. I've got braids in my hair. Everything's fine. And you know why everything's fine? Because I'm so... What's the weather? Everybody's disappearing. What is going on? Okay.
Live, laugh, love. Oh, I need lid for that. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's you. Oh, it's Judy's turn to cry. Judy's turn to cry. Why was he holding her hand? It's my body and the girl I want to. I'm so dead.
Hey, bibabie, where are you? She's gone forever.
Well, I actually almost fell asleep in there. I really sat there thinking, this is a good Netflix. Yeah.
I love chicken. Love chicken. Oh, I love chicken.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, ponytail, grown up to be a woman. Now she's gone in the blink of an eye.
Ah, you hit your head on the ceiling. Careful there.
I have 2 basketballs on my desk. I'm very confused by this turn of events. This is your first fight. Please keep your arms and legs in the craft. If you don't, okay, let's go. You're not up there.
Let's go.
No. We did not just catch on camera.
Not clickbait, very emotional. Had to go to the ER.
Real. We spent the night in the ER. You little ponytail girl, girl up to be. Woman is just gone.
Get him.
I got Oliver. Who's cooking? Beauty, you're running. This is a lot of work.
Yeah.
Did you know that I don't like doing milk?
Neither do
Someone cooking. That's the way you know you smell you, so I know it. You like my hairline?
Dum dum dum.
Just break it.
I found cooking. She's probably like, wait, who are you guys looking for? And then they... Mission unsuccessful. The children have awoken. Everybody say goodnight, Cookingy. Goodnight, Cookingy.
She does not care. She's better than Paparazzi. Mr. President, would you like to make an address, Mrs. President? The President of the nation would like to have an address by Mr. President. Give me words to say, Mrs. President. Very kind words, Mrs. President. You stubbed my toe. You stubbed my toe. We're about to break into the most dangerous facility in the world with our Mrs. President. Come on.
You need to get out of a headshot or what?
Die.
Good.